they said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I'm here and I'ma take it. Recently I feel like I've been having revelations. All I need is God and I'm good, baby. And I just wanna show you I could. And I just wanna show you I could. Cause you said I wouldn't make it. I just wanna show you that I could, baby. Yo, I'm looking through my rear view. My past is not a clear view. I've shut down my ears and now my heart is what I hear through. I've shut down my eyes and now my soul is what I peer through. Cause God whispered to me, yo, these struggles gon' prepare you, prepare you. This world is feeling something like a throne that I'm the heir to. And since the people put me there, I put the people there too. Sky's looking gray and I'm just trying to make it clear blue. And always take the path that's opposite of what my